like to take this time to welcome you guys back to another episode of the C7 Corvette channel. I'm the host, John Schaff, and this is my C7 Corvette channel, where all things are Corvette. And as you may know, or some of you may not know, that the Bowling Green, Kentucky Corvette plant has suffered tremendous damages to the plant due to the tornado touching down there on Saturday night. And this is causing a tremendous backlash. The Bowling Green plant has put out a statement that no one was hurt on their property, during this terrible incident, but there was significant damages to some of the vehicles, and that the first, second, and third shift is going to be canceled. The first, second, and third shift production is going to be canceled for next week. And it's going to be a while before they get back into the business of making and manufacturing Corvettes. And here again, looks like we had another setback when it comes to this mid-engine C8 Corvette. The first setback when we had when the Corvette first came out in 2020, they had the strike, and then a pandemic hit, and then they had trouble with suppliers, and now we've been hit with another setback. Two tornadoes, from what I understand it, has touched down in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and it has caused significant damages to the both of the plant and the Corvette Museum. And I have took the liberty of uploading some footages that I had found that was taken during the daylight hour after the tornado hit on yesterday. So I just say, hope you guys stay prayed up and be encouraged. I know it's another setback for many of you Corvette owners that wanted a mid-engine C8. We don't know whether this is going to affect the build of the Z06 or not. But it is what it is. Well, this is John Schaff. This is my C7 Corvette channel. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. And I will see you guys again in the next video upload. Thank you for watching. And as you all may know, that the Kentucky has suffered devastated tornadoes in the Bowling Green area, and it also struck the Corvette plant. So production of the Corvettes next week is going to be canceled. This is John Schaff. This is my C7 Corvette channel. Again, this is footage from Bowling Green, Kentucky. And as you know, she was hit the other night with devastating hurricanes. Tornadoes. This is John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. As you can see, some models have been messed up already from the hurricane. And this is live footage from the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and also the Corvette plant itself. This is John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel, where all things are Corvette. And here we go again with another setback in the delivery and manufacture of this car. This was last night in Bowling Green, Kentucky. As you may know, some that may know and may not know, Kentucky was hit by several tornadoes last night, including the Corvette plant and the Corvette Museum. And production of the Corvette has been canceled for next week. And here we go again with another setback in the delivery and manufacture of this car. This was last night in Bowling Green, Kentucky. As you may know, some that may know and may not know, Kentucky was hit by several tornadoes last night, including the Corvette plant and the Corvette Museum. And production of the Corvette has been canceled for next week. And this is part of Bowling Green, Kentucky, the area that was hit by the tornadoes. This is John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. This is John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. As you may know, may not know, Bowling Green, Kentucky has been hit by a couple of tornadoes the other night, and the plant and the museum has suffered tremendous damages to both the plant and some of the vehicles. So production of the Corvette plant will be canceled for next week.